Ingco Digital True RMS, AC clamp tester with capacitance meter. Newly and improved version of DCM6003. AC current, 600 amps. AC DC voltage, 600 volts. Resistance, 40 mega ohms. Capacitance, 4NF, 4MF. Diode tester, continuity tester 30 ohms. 6,000 counts True RMS, 3HZ1 kHz. Overload protection to 50 volts. Functions, data hold backlight flashlight. Inclusions to XAAA tester bag, manual. To X probes 600 volts caddy. Warning when measuring the capacitance. Of capacitor, make sure to discharge it first. Failure to do will shock the equipment, resulting to damage, hence warranty is void. Warranty, 6 months parts and service warranty. Misuse and wrong application will void the warranty.